If you love bird watching, wildlife observation, or simply enjoying the great outdoors, having the right spotting scope can make all the difference. In this video, we'll be counting down the top 5 best spotting scopes to elevate your outdoor adventures. Let's dive in. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Borwolf X70 spotting scope. The Borwolf X70 spotting scope is designed to enhance the experience of birdwatching, nature observation, and outdoor adventures. With features like a 20mm large eyepiece, 70mm objective lens, and a central focus wheel pulley design, this scope is built to offer a high-quality viewing experience. Let's dive into the pros and cons of this spotting scope. Pros: large 20mm eyepiece for enhanced visual experience. One of the standout features of the Borwolf X70 is its 20mm large eyepiece, which significantly enhances the visual experience. The larger eyepiece provides a wider field of view, making it easier to spot objects and observe fine details. This is particularly useful for birdwatching or wildlife observation, where a broader view allows for quicker tracking and better overall visibility. 70mm objective lens for clearer imaging. The 70mm objective lens is designed to gather more light, providing a clearer and brighter image. This large aperture allows for high-quality imaging in a variety of lighting conditions, making it ideal for both daytime and low-light viewing. Whether you're observing birds in the early morning or distant objects during the day, the large objective lens ensures you get a high-quality, bright image. Central focus wheel pulley design for easy adjustment. The central focus wheel pulley design makes it easier to adjust the focus on distant objects. This convenient design allows for smooth, precise adjustments, providing a hassle-free user experience. Whether you're adjusting the scope for a close-up of a bird or focusing on distant scenery, the focus wheel ensures the image remains sharp and clear. Cons: size and weight. Due to its 70mm objective lens and sturdy build, the Borwolf X70 can be somewhat bulky. While this may not be a significant issue for stationary use, it can become a bit cumbersome for users who need to carry the scope over long distances. If you're planning to do a lot of hiking or trekking with your spotting scope, the size and weight may prove to be a drawback. The Borwolf X70 spotting scope offers a well-rounded viewing experience for outdoor enthusiasts, birdwatchers, and nature observers. With its large 20mm eyepiece, 70mm objective lens, central focus wheel, and stepless zoom eyepiece, it excels at providing clear, bright images and smooth adjustments. The tripod mount is a valuable addition for ensuring steady views, while the wide field of view is perfect for general observation. Coming in at number 4, the Loerston X60 spotting scope. The Loerston X60 spotting scope is a high-performance optical device designed for birdwatching, outdoor adventures, stargazing, and other activities that require magnification and clarity. With its impressive 2575 x60 magnification, advanced optics, and multifunctional features, this spotting scope is ideal for both casual observers and serious enthusiasts. However, like any product, it has its strengths and limitations. Here's a breakdown of its pros and cons to help you decide if it's the right choice for your needs. Pros: high magnification range. The Loerston X60 offers a 2575x magnification range, making it versatile enough for various observation needs. Whether you're bird watching from a distance or stargazing, the continuous zoom feature allows you to adjust magnification smoothly, offering a clear and detailed view at both low and high zoom levels. This range is ideal for users who need flexibility in their observations. Superior optics. The spotting scope is equipped with back 4 prisms and an ED lens, which contribute to high-quality image clarity and color accuracy. The back 4 prisms enhance light transmission, ensuring bright and sharp images even in low light conditions. The ED lens reduces chromatic aberration, providing true-to-life color reproduction. Together, these features offer a superior optical experience, especially for nature observation. Large objective lens. The 60mm large objective lens ensures that more light enters the scope, resulting in brighter and clearer images. This is particularly useful for observing distant objects, ensuring that even at higher magnifications, the image remains sharp and detailed. The larger lens also provides a wider field of view, allowing you to spot moving objects or animals more easily. Multi-coating for enhanced light transmission. The FMC lenses significantly improve light transmission, with an impressive light transmission rate of up to 99%. This reduces reflections and improves image brightness, color contrast, and sharpness. The multi-layer coating also helps in reducing color distortion and enhances overall image quality, making this spotting scope suitable for all kinds of lighting conditions. Cons: limited low light performance. Although the Loerston X60 is equipped with an ED lens and multi-coated optics, its performance in extremely low light conditions may not be as exceptional as some high-end spotting scopes. While it performs well in typical daylight and dusk conditions, users looking to use it in very low light environments may find the images less clear compared to scopes with larger apertures or specialized night vision features. The Loerston X60 spotting scope is a fantastic choice for nature enthusiasts, outdoor adventurers, and anyone interested in high-quality long-distance observation. With its impressive 2575x magnification, ED lens, Bake 4 prisms, and FMC coating, it delivers clear, sharp images with excellent light transmission. Its photo and video synchronization feature adds versatility, allowing users to capture and share their experiences. At number 3, we have the Visionking L02 spotting scope. The Visionking L02 spotting scope is designed for birdwatching, wildlife viewing, and general outdoor observation, with its compact and lightweight design. Along with advanced features such as back 7 prisms, fully multi-coated lenses, and IPX4 rainproof construction, this spotting scope promises excellent performance in various weather conditions. In this video, we'll explore the pros and cons of the Visionking L02 to help you decide if it's the right choice for your outdoor adventures. Pros: high-quality optics with back 7 prism and fully multi-coated lenses. The Visionking L02 is equipped with back 7 prisms, which are known for their good light transmission and image clarity. Combined with fully multi-coated lenses, this spotting scope delivers bright, sharp, and clear images. The multi-coating helps reduce light reflection and enhances light transmission, providing better contrast and image quality, especially in challenging lighting conditions. Rubber-coated for durability. The rubber covering on the Visionking L02 provides extra protection against crashes, drops, and scratches. This durable design makes the scope more resilient to the wear and tear of outdoor use. Whether you're hiking, birdwatching, or wildlife viewing, the rubberized coating ensures that the scope remains protected from accidental damage, increasing its longevity. IPX4 rainproof construction. The IPX4 rainproof rating means that the Visionking L02 is designed to withstand splashes and light rain, making it ideal for outdoor activities in various weather conditions. While it's not fully waterproof, it offers sufficient protection against the elements to ensure the scope can continue to perform even during unexpected downpours or humid environments. Cons: limited magnification range. One of the drawbacks of the Visionking L02 is its limited magnification range. While it is ideal for general observation, such as birdwatching and wildlife viewing, it may not provide enough power for users who require higher magnification for distant objects or detailed views. The Visionking L02 spotting scope offers a great balance of portability, durability, and performance, making it an excellent choice for birdwatching, wildlife viewing, and casual outdoor use. Its back 7 prisms, multi-coated lenses, and IPX4 rainproof construction ensure clear, bright images and reliable performance in various weather conditions. The rubber coating adds durability, while the lightweight design and tripod provide convenience for users on the go. Next up at number 2 is the Svbony SV41 spotting scope. The Svbony SV41 spotting scope is a versatile and compact optical tool designed for nature enthusiasts, birdwatchers, and amateur astronomers alike. Packed with advanced features, this spotting scope offers exceptional performance for its size and price range. Below, we explore the pros and cons of this product to help you decide if it's the right choice for your needs. Pros: excellent magnification range. The 2575x zoom magnification, combined with a 70mm objective lens, allows for detailed observation of distant objects. This makes it ideal for birdwatching, wildlife observation, and even casual stargazing. Bright and clear optics. The fully multi-coated glass lenses and Bokeh-4 prisms ensure optimal light transmission, producing clear, bright, and sharp images even in low light conditions. User-friendly design. The fine focus knob provides precise control over image clarity. Foldable rubber eye cups make it comfortable for eyeglass wearers, ensuring an inclusive design. Durable and weatherproof. Nitrogen-filled housing and O-ring seals protect the scope from fogging, making it a reliable companion in various weather conditions. The natural rubber exterior adds durability and provides a secure grip. Portability and accessories. Its compact design makes it easy to carry for outdoor adventures. The included tabletop tripod offers stability for stationary use, and the soft carrying case ensures safe transportation. Versatility. The scope is designed for both terrestrial and astronomical viewing, adding value for users who enjoy diverse observation experiences. Cons. Weight considerations. Although compact, the 70mm objective lens and robust build add to the overall weight, which might not suit users looking for ultra-light equipment for long hikes. The Svbony SV41 spotting scope stands out as a feature-packed and affordable option for outdoor enthusiasts and hobbyists. Its impressive magnification, bright optics, and durable construction make it an excellent choice for a wide range of activities. Finally, at number 1, we have the Vector Optics Paragon Spotting Scope. The Vector Optics Paragon Spotting Scope is designed for enthusiasts and professionals seeking an affordable yet reliable optic for activities such as target shooting, birding, and wildlife viewing. With a focus on delivering high-quality images and durability, this spotting scope offers a combination of modern features and rugged construction. However, like any optical device, it has both strengths and limitations. Here's a breakdown of the pros and cons to help you decide if it fits your needs. Pros: ED objective lens and fully multi-coated optics. The Vector Optics Paragon features an ED objective lens, which significantly reduces chromatic aberration and improves color accuracy. This is particularly beneficial when observing distant objects, as it provides sharp, vibrant images without the color fringing that often occurs with standard lenses. The fully multi-coated optics further enhance light transmission and clarity, ensuring that images are bright and clear, even in low light conditions. Versatile zoom eyepiece. The spotting scope comes with a 7-element 4-group zoom eyepiece, offering a range of magnifications. This allows users to adjust the level of zoom for different observation needs, whether for target shooting, birding, or wildlife viewing. The ability to zoom smoothly helps in tracking moving subjects or getting a more detailed view of distant objects, making the scope adaptable to a variety of environments and situations. Durability and protection. The rubber-covered housing of the Vector Optics Paragon adds a layer of protection against accidental drops, scratches, and bumps. This rugged construction ensures that the spotting scope can withstand tough conditions, making it ideal for outdoor activities like hiking, camping, or wildlife watching. The rubber covering also provides a secure and comfortable grip, especially in wet or slippery conditions. Compact and ultra-short design. Unlike traditional spotting scopes that can be bulky and heavy, the Vector Optics Paragon boasts an ultra-short design that enhances its portability. Its compact size makes it easier to carry around and store, which is especially beneficial for users who are on the go or need a spotting scope for travel. This feature allows users to take it on long hikes or use it as a backup scope for activities where weight and space are a concern. Ideal for a range of activities. The Vector Optics Paragon is specifically designed for target shooting, birding, and wildlife viewing, making it a versatile tool for a variety of users. Whether you're focusing on spotting game, tracking moving targets, or simply observing nature, this scope's versatility makes it a valuable addition to your gear. Its adjustable magnification allows you to fine-tune the view based on your particular activity, offering a high level of flexibility. Comes with tripod. The inclusion of a tripod with the Vector Optics Paragon adds significant value to the product. A tripod stabilizes the scope, preventing image shake and providing a steady viewing experience, which is particularly important at higher magnifications. This is a helpful feature for activities such as target shooting or bird watching, where stable, clear images are crucial. Cons. Not fully waterproof. While the rubber housing offers some protection against the elements, the Vector Optics Paragon is not fully waterproof. This means it may not perform well in heavy rain or other extreme weather conditions. Users who plan to use the spotting scope in harsh environments might need to take extra precautions, such as using a weatherproof cover or avoiding exposure to prolonged moisture. The Vector Optics Paragon spotting scope offers great value for those in need of a portable, durable, and versatile optical tool. With its ED objective lens, fully multi-coated optics, and zoom eyepiece, it delivers clear and bright images that are suitable for a range of activities like target shooting, birding, and wildlife viewing. Its rubber-covered design adds protection, while the compact size makes it easy to carry and use in various outdoor settings.